Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to boost performance and fix the lag in Wuthering Waves. You can adjust several in-game settings to optimize your experience. Here are the best settings to enhance performance. You just need to press in keyboard escape key and click on the setting gear icon over here and select the photos icon to open up graphics settings. Graphics quality is set to low. These presets adjust multiple settings at once to improve performance. Screen mode set to full screen. Full screen mode generally offers better performance compared to windowed or borderless modes. Resolution lower the resolution can significantly improve performance. Choose a resolution that balance visual quality and performance, such as 1280 into 70 or 1600 into 900. You just need to scroll down. Frame rate you can set to 60 or lower if you want. Scroll down. Shadow quality set to low. Special effect quality set to low. And LOD BIOS set to low. And capsule AO turn it on. And you just need to scroll down. Volumetric fog you just need to turn it off, and volumetric lighting turn it off, and scroll down. Motion blur turn it off, and anti-aliasing turn it off, and V-sync turn it off. And if you have NVIDIA DLSS in here, then you just need to turn it on. And if you have super resolution, then you just need to set to auto. And if you have NVIDIA Reflex, turn it on. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Just to close it off here, and you can play the game lag free. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.